So, let us study about the endoplasmic reticulum. As I have already told you, the endoplasmic reticulum is a cell organelle. It is a cell organelle, so it can be seen in the cytoplasm. Now, this is the endoplasmic reticulum. As you can see here, it is made up of tubes or sheets. It is made of tubes or sheets, and it is found in the cytoplasm of the cell. Now, if you look here closely, you can see that the nuclear membrane is made up of an outer layer and an inner layer, and the endoplasmic reticulum is attached to the outer layer of the nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane is made up of an outer and an inner layer, and the endoplasmic reticulum is continuous with the outer layer of the nuclear membrane. So, as I already told you, the endoplasmic reticulum is made of tubes and sheets. You can see here it is made of tubes and sheets. And the endoplasmic reticulum is connected to the outer membrane of the nuclear envelope. It is connected to the outer membrane of the nuclear envelope. That is the nuclear membrane, the outer membrane of the nuclear envelope. Now, the endoplasmic reticulum, as you can see here, some of them are rough while the others are smooth. So, the endoplasmic reticulum is of two types, the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. When you look under a microscope, you can see that some of the endoplasmic reticulum will have a rough surface and the others will be smooth. Now, the rough surface is because it has particles that are called as the ribosomes attached to its surface. The rough endoplasmic reticulum has particles that are called as the ribosomes attached to its surface. And the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it doesn't have any ribosomes. So, what are the functions of this endoplasmic reticulum? The rough endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosome is involved in protein synthesis. It is involved in protein synthesis. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in lipid or fat synthesis. It is involved in the manufacture of fat or lipids. So now let us study about the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. As I already told you, the rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes attached to its surface, and these ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis, that is, they manufacture protein. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum is the site of lipid or fat synthesis, that is, they manufacture lipids. Now, we have already studied that the plasma membrane is made of both lipids and proteins. The endoplasmic reticulum manufactures lipids and proteins, and some of the proteins and lipids are used in building the cell membrane or the plasma membrane. And this process is called as membrane biogenesis. So, what is membrane biogenesis? The proteins and lipids that are produced by the endoplasmic reticulum are used in building the cell membrane or plasma membrane, and this process is called as membrane biogenesis. Now, what are the other functions of the endoplasmic reticulum? As we have already studied, the endoplasmic reticulum is connected to the outer membrane of the nuclear envelope. Now, we have already studied that the nuclear membrane is made up of two layers, an outer layer and an inner layer. The endoplasmic reticulum is attached to the outer layer. So, it will help in the transport of materials between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. It will help in transport of materials between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Next, it will be providing a framework. What is a framework? Now, a framework means a supporting structure. Like the skeleton provides a framework to our body. Just like that, the cytoplasmic framework is provided by the endoplasmic reticulum. That is, it will provide a supporting structure. Now, there is another important function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum that is present in liver cells. In the liver cells of vertebrate, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in detoxification. Now, what are vertebrates? Those organisms that are having a backbone or a vertebral column. They are called as vertebrates. And in the liver of vertebrates, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum will help in detoxification. It will play an important role in detoxifying poisons and drugs. What does it mean, drugs? It means the medicines that we are taking. And detoxification means removing these medicines and other toxic materials from the body. So the smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in removing the waste materials and the toxins from our body. These are the functions of endoplasmic